It's currently right after 5 p.m. I've just finished working and I'm going to take you with me as I unwind and relax after a full day of work. I really hope you can find some inspiration for yourself on how to unwind and how to relax after a long school or work day. We're actually going to start by hitting the gym, so stay with me, let's prepare. Working out may seem like the last thing you want to do after a long, hard day, but it's actually the perfect way to relax your body and your mind, as it gives us endorphins that are basically natural mood enhancers. Also, it can simply give you a moment for yourself, it can allow you to be present, mindful, and it can help distract you from your daily worries. So even if you don't feel like it, it's worth to push yourself and just get that workout in. I can guarantee that once you're finished, you definitely won't be regretting that. Training is done, so I think I'm going to get some groceries so that I can cook a nice meal to distress my body and give it the nutrients it needs after such a hard working day. Taking a hot shower is probably my favorite way to de-stress quickly. Now I'm creating a whole vibe for my everything shower using some mood lights and candles, and that is a great tip if you feel like your bathroom isn't aesthetic enough for those self-care showers. The lights and candles can transform your basic shower into an actual experience, a spa level 1, trust me. We're in the kitchen right now. We're going to make pasta with broccoli, pesto, green pesto, black olives, and probably some parsley. We'll see how that goes, but that definitely will be... Oh, I forgot! We also have feta cheese. This is a complete ingredient setup. Of course, we'll add some spices. I really hope it's going to be good, but I know it's going to be for sure nutritious because we have so many greens here. I also bought some nice juices so we can have them later with my fiance. Oh, this one is bigger. I haven't noticed that and I chose it for him. That's sad. Well, life. Let's just get into cooking because I'm so hungry after gym that I just need to eat something right now. An acupressure mat is another great way to quickly relax and also relieve tension in your muscles. And after a stressful day, we usually are pretty tense, aren't we? Using such mat can reduce back pain, muscle tension, and it may even help you when you're experiencing some headaches, so that's great. From my personal experience, it's actually the most beneficial when used on bare skin, which I'm not about to show you obviously, but if you haven't used an acupressure mat before, the poking sensation it gives when used directly on the skin may be too intense for some people at the beginning, so you can just start using one with a thin t-shirt on or anything similar, and once you're more used to that feeling, you can just try it on bare skin. Finally bedtime. Set the vibe. The vibes are here, and I will be going to sleep soon, finally. But at first I will obviously read a bit, and I really recommend you trying reading before sleeping. You can read in your bed. I will be doing that. Yeah, it can be actually really beneficial compared to scrolling on your phone before sleep, which I think majority of us either do or did in the past. Getting that blue light in your eyes will worsen your sleep quality, so yeah, a book is a better idea to just get you sleepy, comfortable, cozy, and you will fall asleep way faster. We actually talked about the effect of blue light on our sleep schedule in my previous video when we talked about habits, how to build them, so if you haven't seen it, go watch it. It will be obviously linked at the end. Yeah, so that'll be it. As I said, I'll read a bit and then go to sleep, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!